Hey, it's me, Felicia Marie, and welcome back to my channel. All right, I missed y'all. Give your girl some grace. I've been taking care of a few things for, the course of time since my last video. But I didn't have many updates. If you can see, I'm a brace mouth again. Yes, I was looking at these videos and I had a few teeth that was like leaning a little bit too far to the left or to the right. And I was like, I want to correct that. So y'all gonna have to look at me with braces along this journey, okay? This is a part of this process, taking care of myself. But enough of that said. This is June and I am just a few weeks shy of 11 months for my DIY Micro Loc journey. And for those of you who are new, who are just tuning in, I did mini twists, and then I've been doing the 2-point rotation interlocking. And so this is the longest I've gone without a retie. It's about 8 weeks to date, I would want to say. May have touched up my edges and that's it. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update regarding some changes that I'm noticing. Honestly, I thought I'd be locked by now. But everybody's journey is their own. And everyone's hair texture or what you're doing along the way, it looks different. And I totally get that now. So this is what I'm looking like. I needed a wash, but just got back from celebrating my dad's birthday and got to see my family. It's always bittersweet because I'm like a kid in the toy store when I'm around my family, and when they leave, y'all, I'm starting to get emotional now. It takes a toll, but let me wipe that emotion off. I mean, I just love my family. I do, and I miss them being here in Virginia, and they live in Michigan. So cherish moments, memories with your family. But if I had to choose parents all over again, I would choose my same ones. But anyway, enough of that emotional stuff. But as far as like new growth goes, for 8 weeks, I don't feel like I got a lot. Like if I was to stick my finger in here, I would say like 1/2 inch in some areas. Up and through here, if y'all can see that. Can you see? Can you see? About 1/2 inch of new growth. And up and through the middle, like these, if you can't hear me, these smaller pieces that I was considering combining, I've just left them alone. Like, I'm not doing no combining at this time. I'm gonna just rock with my hair like it is. Just see what happens. I was looking at my hair from day 1 or month 1, shall I say, till now. And I'm like, I can see it dropping. The twist pattern, y'all. The twist pattern is there. It's there. And I'll run into people when I'm out in the community and they're like, is your hair locked, or like, what is it? Like, they don't know what it is. And I think it's because, you can still see the twist. My camera cut off. Yeah. And it took me another day or two to touch bases again and pick up where I left off. I am making an executive decision to wash my hair without braiding and banding going into this 11th month. Misconceptions about type 4 hair. I thought that because of my hair texture and because of the challenges that I experience as a loose natural with detangling my hair, that my hair will lock overnight. No. If y'all hear noise in the background, it's my puppies in their crates and they are playing and having a good old day. So excuse the background noise. But as far as changes go, the only parts of my hair that feel locked, or at least like it's solidifying, is the areas in which I did my retie. The ends of my hair, you can still see the twist pattern in a lot of the areas. Still under here, twist. I'm also still experiencing unraveling, and it's not to a point where I'm like trying to use any kind of interlocking tool or anything. I'm literally able to just pull it apart and twist it back up. So I've been doing that without adding water. I just been twisting it dry. I'm just gonna be on the lookout for that. And we're gonna see. I'm like 80-20 on the braid and band, and then just washing my hair freely. I feel like that might help the process a little bit. And then I'm experiencing, see these little strands? I'm experiencing that. I guess that's the hair that kind of didn't make it into the lock. But I literally just I'm still just fluffing and watching. But look at that. You cannot even see up in there. For the summer, that's how I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna go longer periods of time. I'm gonna see how long this retie gonna take me. And if I'm gonna have any tangling or matting from me trying to just freely wash my hair. So I'm gonna try to touch bases with y'all. I ain't got a setup where I could just wash it and show y'all. I'm probably just gonna put my hair under some water or rinse it out in the shower and then use my shampoo bottle and shampoo and show y'all on camera that way. We'll see what happens. But I'm leaning more towards just giving it a try just to see. But for the areas that I might have retwisted, I'm trying to look for one. Okay, see that little thin piece? That's how it looks after I retwist it. This appears to be one. And then I had a few more. Not a lot, just a few. And up and through here, I mean, I can't honestly even say none of them are locked. Like, maybe again, the interlocking, and then you still got what looks to be somewhat of a twist pattern, and then it's like this buoyant on the end with a coil. So yeah, y'all, not much. So excuse my absence, but I didn't have much to share. I may have did one dry braid out style, and I wanted to show you how I did my hair. And then I pinned it back here. And it turned out rather nice. I actually liked it. And I didn't deal with any unraveling or anything. So that's my quick little update. I will be in touch with you guys soon for this going on 11-month journey. And we shall see. But I'm going to prep my hair real good for the summer. And I'm going to go another probably 8 weeks before my next retie. Because I like it looking full. Oh, the middle. Remember that issue with the middle? You can't see nothing. Nothing. You can't see nothing through there. But I haven't been having to deal with that middle part situation. I kind of been wearing my hair off to the side, just like this. And then throwing my hair behind my ear on both sides. Just throwing my hair behind my ear. I do see length. I was looking at my photo from month 1. And I was like, my twist appeared so much bigger than they are right now. So maybe that's the condensing that I have had some of you chime in and tell me your hair is going to condense over time. It's not going to be like that sort of thing. I hope y'all been good. Thanks for chiming in with your girl. Keep up with me. I'll be approaching my 1-year journey. I don't plan on doing anything crazy like, you know, taking these down or anything. Maybe color later on, or combining. I mean, maybe something like that. But anyway, I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace and love. I'll talk to you later.